Hey everybody, Dave Moorhead here with another great vegan recipe for you. Today we're going to be making vegan cheese sauce. Crowd reaction and off. Very obedient crowd today. Yes, I know you missed it. You missed your cheese sauce on nachos. You missed grilled cheese. You missed mac and cheese. But now you don't have to miss those anymore because this sauce is absolutely delicious. I tried it out on some penne pasta and I absolutely loved it. So I think you're going to love it too. So let's get started. This sauce is similar to cheese sauce. This version is vegan because it doesn't use any dairy. It also contains nutritional yeast, and that adds protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This is a huge thank you to the Buddhist Chef. This is his recipe that I found online, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I loved it. He's on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and also has a cookbook that's available. Okay, let's get back to the recipe. Here are the ingredients. I will also put the ingredients down below the video. Some recipes that I've seen say you need to soak your cashews overnight if you're going to be blending them. Ain't nobody got time for that, including myself, so this is a little hack for you. All you have to do is boil your cashews in water for 15 minutes and they're ready to be put in the blender. Drain the water from the cashews. Put the cashews and all the other ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Transfer blender mix into a pot and cook using medium heat. Stir constantly until the sauce thickens. Congrats, you just made vegan no cheese sauce. Delicious. If you like this recipe and you want to be notified when I make a new video, please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you and bon appetit.